Hello everybody. It is Sunday the 14th. My wife and I have gotten sick, and so I thought today would be a good day since it's raining and kind of chill in the air. Hello Gypsy. I would make some good comfort food. That's right. Oh, I bet you wish you had smell-o-vision. Home-cooked chicken noodle soup. It's been brewing all day. And now it's almost done to eat. Yeah, look at that. And for dessert, we have peanut butter cookies. Homemade peanut butter cookies. Here it comes. Oh, yeah, smell it. Yeah, it just came out of the hot oven. We got chicken noodle soup and peanut butter.